So it seems like the main issue for the customer is that the customer cannot change the parameters. So here we can give an example that here it's working properly. So let's say that we change the throttle pot, so from electronic to a regular. See, it's set up for electronic pot, so we're gonna change it to a regular pot. So we put it throttle type 1. So we turn it off, we turn it on again, and we go all the way down till we find throttle type. See, it's 1, so it's holding the settings.